Welcome to Fab Flavors with me, Nobonita. Today I am going to show you a recipe from Mexico. Baked veg cheesy enchilada with bread. This recipe is super healthy with variety of vegetables and flavorful salsa sauce. You can try this for breakfast, dinner or any time of the day. So let's get into the recipe. Here I have taken 8 slices of white bread. Cut and remove the edges of the bread. Now roll them out one by one to make thin sheets. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons of refined oil and heat at medium flame. When the oil is hot, add in some chopped garlic and saute. Then add chopped onions and saute until they get translucent. Now add some chopped capsicum and mix them. I am adding 1 cup of boiled and partially mashed red beans, also known as Rajma, which are highly nutritious. Give it a nice mix. Now add salt as per your taste. Half teaspoon paprika powder and half teaspoon of oregano for flavoring. Mix and mash them together like I have shown here. Finally, add half cup of boiled sweet corn. Mix it nicely. Once done, switch off the flame, take them out in a bowl and keep it aside. Now, let's prepare the salsa sauce. Take 1 cup of tomato puree in a pan and heat it at low flame. After some time, add in half cup of tomato ketchup, 1/4 cup chili sauce and combine them together. Add salt to taste, half teaspoon of oregano and give it a quick mix. Our salsa sauce is ready. Keep it aside to cool. For assembling, I have taken a baking pan. Apply some salsa sauce at the base of the pan. Place the rolled out thin bread sheets as I have shown here. Traditionally, corn tortillas are used in Mexican enchilada. But since many a times tortillas are not available, I have used white breads for this recipe in place of corn tortillas. Spread the vegetable red beans mix over the sheets uniformly. Now apply another layer of salsa sauce. This is one of my favorite go-to recipe for years. Repeat the process and assemble the other layers. It is perfect for any parties or brunches and loved by all age groups. You can watch my other baked recipes and also recipes with bread like lasagna, bread pudding, dahi ke sole and many more. I will link them in the description box and also in the I button. Do not forget to check out these fabulous recipes from all over the world. Spread a little grated cheese and fill it up with sauce. Load it with generous amount of cheese. Sprinkle half teaspoon of paprika powder and half teaspoon of oregano. Doesn't it sound yummy? Preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Place the baking pan into the preheated oven. Bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it out from the oven. Our baked cheesy enchiladas are now ready to enjoy with your friends and family. I really hope you enjoyed watching this recipe till the end. Do give this recipe a try and share your feedback in the comments below. To all my new viewers, please subscribe my channel, which is totally free. Like and share this recipe to all your friends. I will be back with another delicious recipe, so stay tuned and keep supporting as it means a lot to me. Until then, goodbye.